Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Proton Pass, a password manager developed by the same folks behind Proton Mail, Proton VPN, and Proton Drive. If you know anything about Proton, you'll know that privacy and security are their top priorities. But does Proton Pass live up to the high standards set by its siblings? In this video, we'll uncover everything you need to know about Proton Pass, what it is, what it does, and whether it could be the best password manager for you in 2025. So let's jump right in. Let's start with the basics. Proton Pass is a password manager that helps you securely store and manage your login credentials, credit card details, email aliases, and even two-factor authentication keys. Think of it as your digital vault that keeps all your sensitive information safe and easily accessible, no matter where you are. What makes Proton Pass stand out is a strong emphasis on privacy and security. Like all Proton services, it's built around end-to-end encryption. This means that the data you save, whether it's a password, a note, or a credit card, is encrypted on your device before it is sent to Proton servers. Not even Proton itself can access your data, which is a level of privacy that many competitors don't offer. Proton Pass also carries the trust of being developed in Switzerland, a country known for its strict privacy laws. So if you're someone who values keeping your online life private, Proton Pass is off to a good start. But there's more to this service than just its privacy foundation. Now let us talk about the main features that Proton Pass brings to the table. End-to-end encryption. Every piece of information you store, from passwords, notes, two-factor authentication codes, is encrypted on your device using a 256-bit AES GCM encryption. Even if someone were to gain access to Proton servers, they wouldn't be able to decrypt your data. This is about as secure as it gets. Password autofill. No more typing out passwords manually. Proton Pass can autofill your credentials on websites and apps, saving you time and frustration. Secure password sharing. Have you ever needed to share a password with someone securely? Proton Pass allows you to do that through encrypted links. These links can be customized with expiration dates and access permissions, putting you in full control. Email aliases. Hide my email. With Proton Pass, you can create unique email aliases to protect your primary email address from spam and phishing attacks. These aliases act as a shield for your real email, giving you an extra layer of security. Dark web monitoring. Proton Pass scans the dark web for your credentials and alerts you if your data is compromised. This feature is incredibly useful in today's world of frequent data breaches. Cross-platform compatibility. Proton Pass works on all major platforms, including Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, Linux, and browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge, and so on. So whether you're on your phone or your laptop, Proton Pass is always within reach. Open sourced and audited. Transparency is key. Proton Pass is open source, meaning its code is publicly available for anyone to scrutinize. On top of that, it has undergone independent security audits to ensure that it's as secure as Proton claims. How about the pricing? Let's talk about the cost. Proton Pass offers 3 pricing tiers. The free plan. The free plan gives you unlimited passwords, two-factor authentication codes, and encrypted notes. For most users, this is more than enough to get started. The Plus plan. At 2.99 euros per month, the Plus plan adds extra features like unlimited email aliases and priority customer support. There's the Pass Family plan. At 4.99 euros per month, when billed monthly, the family plan supports up to 6 users. It's perfect for households that want a shared and secure password management solution. And there's the Unlimited plan. For 9.99 euros per month, when billed monthly, you get access to Proton Pass, to Proton Mail, to Proton Calendar, Proton VPN, and Proton Drive. What are the pros and cons of using Proton Pass? First, we talk about the pros. Top-notch security. Proton Pass delivers unparalleled privacy through end-to-end encryption. User-friendly. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate even for beginners. Seamless integration. If you are already using Proton Mail or Proton VPN, Proton Pass fits right into the ecosystem. How about the cons? Feature set. While it covers the essentials, Proton Pass is still catching up to competitors like 1Password or LastPass in terms of advanced features like password inheritance or emergency access. Young service. As a newer player in the market, it's still evolving, and some features you might expect from a mature password manager are either in development or absent. So here's the big question. Is Proton Pass the best password manager of 2025? Well, it depends. If your priority is privacy and security, Proton Pass is undoubtedly a strong contender. Its encryption-first approach combined with features like secure sharing and dark web monitoring makes it a standout choice. However, if you're someone who needs more advanced functionalities, or if you're already using a well-established password manager, you might find Proton Pass slightly limited. That said, Proton Pass is continually improving, and given Proton's reputation for excellence, it's worth keeping an eye on. Ultimately, Proton Pass is ideal for anyone who values privacy and wants to keep all their Proton services under one roof. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore 1Password, Bitwarden, and Dashlane. And that's it for today's review of Proton Pass. I hope this review has given you a clearer understanding of Proton Pass and whether it's the right fit for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.